bad CRCs. The problem is it could take you fucking 2, 3, 4 days to rip a whole DVD to your hard drive. Well, the thing is, DVD players used to, how DVD players used to play the file without having the same problem is DVD players are not data redundant like computers are. So when a DVD player come across a bad sector, it just ignored it and kept playing the damn file. That's why most DVD players could play files that were using ripguard technology. Which, and by the way, you most always see that on Sony release DVDs, like Resident Evil, Silent Hill. I can't think of any more off the top of my head, but Sony is very big on Macrovision's technologies, like the ripguard and Arcos protection. Almost any Sony DVD you use will have this protection technique. Anyway, the problem was a lot of DVD players were fucking up too, and they couldn't read them. So they had to start doing a different technique by including, you see these little files right here that are not video files? These contain information about the video. It's like meta information about the video's content for the DVD player to read and to know what to do, what the menus are, how to display shit. And so what they started doing was including information in here about what sectors to skip when ripping or when playing the DVD. And so MPlayer they made it to where when you dump your DVD, if it's using that technology, you can use a different dump option, and it won't just dump the raw video stream to disk. It'll actually read it'll read the information contained in those files, the files for the DVD player, to know which sectors to skip so that there are no errors, so it can still dump the video stream. And it takes not even noticeably longer at all. It barely even any longer. But the command is slightly different. Now I'm going to show you the commands. To dump a DVD onto your hard drive as one whole complete video file, check it out. You do this right here. Let me make sure I got room on my desktop. Where am I going? That is not where I wanted to go. Alright, here we go. I got 7.1 gigabytes. That should be plenty. Alright, check it out. You type MPlayer space DVD : //1 for title 1. That means the first title on the DVD, the first feature on the DVD. And then space dump stream, all one word, space dump file, and then space, and then you should use double quotes in case you want to use hyphens in your DVD's file name. Anyway, / and then wherever you're dumping it to. I'm dumping mine to the desktop for the moment. / actually, I guess it would help if I started off with the full path. Home, Alex, desktop, and then / and then the name of the file you want it to have. This is Cops and Robbers. We're just going to call it cops.vob because it's a vob file. Alright, now watch this. Now remember, it was MPlayer space DVD : //1, that is a URL telling it to play the DVD's URL's first track, and then space, and then dump this stream with the dump stream flag, which is dump stream space, and then dump file is here. You tell it dump. This is the dump file right here. Hit enter. Oh, if I could spell, it would probably get done faster. There we go. Alright, hit enter, and as you can see, it's popped up right here. And refresh. If you hit F5 on Nautilus, it'll actually refresh it, same way like Firefox does. You will see this number right here. So it'll show you the file size. It'll grow very, very fast. Now, it takes about 3 to 5 minutes, depending on the size of the DVD. Some DVDs, I've seen DVDs 7.5 gigabytes. Some of them could take 6, 7 minutes, but if it rips it in any less than 5 minutes, or I'm sorry, 3 minutes, then you know you ripped the wrong title. You might have ripped the extra features or the menu or something. To find out if you have the right title when you're typing DVD://1 for title 1, to find out if you have the right title, you can play the movie by clicking on it. As it's ripping it, you can still play it. And in this case, we do have the right title.
Good morning, sweetheart.
Now, the other way, if that's the wrong title, you can just hit cancel right here in M-Player. Hit cancel, hit up, go over, take your cursor back over to the 1, delete it, and put the next number in, which is 2. Hit enter. It'll start ripping title 2. And then you can try to play it. Well, as you can see, that's not the title. This is like sneak previews and shit. Alright, you can do that all damn day. The easiest way to do it is by opening the DVD with VLC. If you open VLC and you hit Control D, it'll open the disk menu. Okay, make me out to be a goddamn liar. There we go. Alright, click on this option right here. It says it's already got the disk tab open because you hit Control D. Click on this menu option, no DVD menus. Click that. And then right here, title. Go over here and click. You already know it's not title 1 because we played it. You already know it's not title 2, so try title 3. And hit play. And that's a preview, so hit Control D again. Hit up for title 4, and that's another preview. Hit Control D again, hit up for title 5. Do this over and over till you figure out what title it is. And it says right here at the top, it'll say DVD at title 5, at 5. So then you know it's title 5. You just go up in your command history, backspace over, or back over to, take your cursor over to the number 2, erase it and put 5 in, hit enter. And you can start dumping your actual feature presentation. Now in this case, it wasn't 5, it was actually 1, but I just wanted to show you that for example. And you see these things right here, where it says get key for blah blah blah. This is DCSS, the library. DVDs are encrypted. So that was one of the things they started doing to make it harder to pirate them, is they started encrypting them, so that even if you did rip the content off, you couldn't play it. Almost all DVDs are encrypted now. Well, DVD encryption methods are kind of well known, and it's called CSS, which is not to be confused with HTML's cascading style sheets. CSS for DVDs means content scrambling system. Alright, so anyway, what happens when a DVD player plays a DVD is the DVD player software will send a request to the DVD drive saying, hey, I want to play this file. DVD drive will send a key back to the software, or sometimes the software will already have the key, and it'll say, here's the key to unlock these files. And then it'll send the key back to unlock the files and retrieve the files. And then it'll send back another key telling it how to, the DVD drive will send back another key to the DVD software telling it this is the key to decrypt the files as you play them. And there was a big somebody, I think it was a 21-year-old MIT kid, figured out how this all worked and wrote a script to decrypt DVDs for computers, and for anybody to just sit there and decrypt their VOBs. It was actually very controversial for a long time, and the Motion Picture Association tried to sue anyone who posted the script. And but the thing is, it's open. It's protected under the free speech, First Amendment's right, and so now it's included in M-Player and VLC. That's why you can play DVDs with M-Player and VLC and Windows Media Player if you have that option. But Windows probably charges you money for that fucking for those plugins to play DVDs. Anyway, all right. So now you know pretty much everything about a DVD, how it's put together, and everything else. And DVDs are MPEG content by nature. Come on. Oh, I opened the wrong one. The codecs, the video codec is an MPEG codec. The audio codec is MPEG. See, MPGV, which is Motion Pictures Group Video, and then A52 audio. It's usually AC3 audio. But anyway,